plan here is to put it something like this, and I want to make it so that this will be the receiver. This is going to be the receiver that the second receiver. And what I'm planning on doing is taking both these surfaces here and sort of creating a V pattern on both ends of it, and then welding it together. And that's going to be kind of hard because that's difficult to hold it into position. But if I get it tacked, hold it something like this and get it tacked, that should be okay there. Okay, here's the receiver that I made, and this is going to go under the truck. Now, there's going to be another one of these. You have basically a female and a male receiver. This one's going to go under the truck, so this will be like this. And of course it's too small right now because I'm going to have to make another one of these male receivers go down here, and then this one will fit on to the new one, which is going to go down here. And I'm going to have to make sure that it, when it's welded, that it doesn't, I don't want to interfere with this surface here and this surface here, because this is where the hole is for this pin right here. So we'll see how this develops, and should be okay. Alright, here's a picture of what I'm talking about. This receiver right here is going to go into the present receiver, and by the way, it has a hole here. This one's going to have a hole. This one's going to have a hole, corresponding hole. All of the holes are going to line up. But this one, this is this receiver right here. And it's going to have another one right below it. And this gives it more stability, and is going to make it stable so that I can lift things with this whole crane. Now we have to flatten this area here, because this is going to contact the bottom of the truck. There, that's pretty flat.